Welcome to Sun West Mortgage Company.
Hi,
Thank you for being here.
thank you.
My name is Raul Padilla. I heard that you're looking for some type of financing. What are you looking
Yes,
for?
I went to see an apartment and I really love it, but I have no idea how to start the process.
It's a very simple process. So we just visit lowratespr.com and you just go apply now. Do you have a loan application already? Number.
Which I don't.
So, which we don't have. So you're gonna press no. Then the system is gonna ask you what type of application type are you looking for? It's a purchase, correct?
Yes,
And the property that you're looking to buy is in what state?
in Florida.
I ask you because in Sun West Mortgage Company, you can originate or apply for loans in 48 states, including the territory of Puerto Rico and USVI.
Okay.
Now, you need to input your social security number. Your email eventually is going to become your username,
Okay.
so you can access the system and provide documentation if you want, or upload bank statements or pay stubs, tax returns.
So this is an ongoing process. I don't
Yes.
have to do everything right off the bat.
Correct.
Okay.
Just press continue. Okay. It will ask you home phone number if it's different than the cell phone. Do you want the company to call you on that number or not? At what time?
Okay.
You continue. If you want the company to contact you by email or phone. If you want to make this process paperless.
Yes.
If you say yes, then the system's gonna pop up the electronic record and signature disclosures. So you need to scroll down and say agree. Well, that's it.
I'm done.
You're done.
Okay.
As you can see, we have completed the getting started, personal information, property information, if you own real estate, your liquid assets, liabilities, employment information, declarations, and you have a pre-qualification letter. Not a pre-approval because we didn't submit the documents.
Right.
If we have submitted the documents, we will receive a pre-approval.
But I will be able to do that later on with my username, my password, and do it here.
Correct.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Have a great day.